everyone, thanks for watching this video. So I'm gonna start with my step 1, which is packing. Let's go.
One eternity later.
So we finally finished the first leg, which is packing, which is literally the hardest thing for me, especially. Extra things that I've carried. Firstly,
Zoro's documents because very important, they might just ask. And secondly, a piece tape because I don't want to use the glue. Then there's a sanitizer. I've also got a normal sanitizer also, like needless to say, but don't forget your gloves and carry extra gloves and carry extra masks.
and wear sports shoes, don't wear chappals and go, because my friend just told me it's not good for you. Now I think I just have to go to the store to just like get some stuff, and there's gonna be no food that's gonna be available to us in the train, so I have to make my own stuff and get them with me. But since my train is day after tomorrow, I have time for that. So until then, bye. So yeah, I finally finished packing. I'm going to be traveling with my yuk, my bag, and this bag. That's a big bag, I know, but I don't know how long I'm going to be gone for, so might as well be prepared. Pretty much it. Here's a blanket and there's a blanket and a bedsheet that I'll be needing in the train, because they are not going to be providing with anything like that, including food. I went to the shop today, but it was shut because it's Sunday. So yeah.
Let's see how I manage, but I think I'm going to be able to.
So next cut is going to be.
Next morning.
So I'm ready to leave. It's 12 o'clock. My train is at 5 o'clock, so I need to be there a little early because I need to finish work for Zoro and stuff.
This is that once in a lifetime.
Just got inside the platform, and they asked me to fill a form. I had to go all the way to get this form, and now they've asked me to wait for an hour for them to sign it. Once they sign it is when I can take my cat with me, and I need to wait for an hour for that signature, and the station is kind of empty. I just got here and look at how it is right now. Yeah, like literally shitloads of people in here. We're all waiting in line. I think we should be done soon. Just realized this whole queue is for everybody who's in Rajdhani. Once it arrives, everybody will be in a queue and they will be sanitized one by one. Apparently, I still don't know if that's true. That's all I understood. Let's say I've been here in the same spot for the last 30 minutes now. I hope it leads to something. So we are standing in line. The train is here, so I don't know how to do that.
Thousands of tears later.
Oh, little update. IRCTC fucked me up real bad, and when I called the customer care, they said if you get a first class ticket, you can travel with your pet. But now when I went there for like just to get my form signed, they just told me that no, you have to book the whole coupe. So they said, since I was a girl and I was almost on the verge of tears, they said, you know what, do one thing, just take him. When the TT comes, pay him the extra money that you have to pay, and whoever else is going with you in this small cabin, just speak to them so that like they don't have a problem. So I'm really stressing right now. I don't know what to do, so let's see. I'm still waiting. I really hope I reach Delhi. Oh, good news, good news, good news. We started moving and there is nobody except us. Everything is done, just one more step to go, that is convince the TT. If it works, normally it's fine, otherwise we'll have to all fake cry, so we'll see how that goes. Guys, a very good thing that happened. I don't advise you to do it. Please don't do it. I would never have done it if I was if so much was not at risk, but the TT didn't get to know that I had a cat. We are sly as fuck. TT
किसी को भी नहीं पता चला कौन है तुम लोग। अच्छा तुम लोग ठीक है उसने टिकट भी नहीं देखा।
More than anyone that you adore can love is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you.
So we finally reached the Delhi station. It's quite quiet here, but the auto wallahs and all, they are not social distancing at all. Everything is there. Just stuck. My brother's running late. Yeah, I'm here now. I reached, by the way, but I reached.